If you're still using Google Chrome to do your search, you should stop now and switch to Perplexity AI powered search web browser. And I've been using it every single day and I'm absolutely loving it. And I'm just going to show you guys most of the use cases that you can use it and start for free right now. If you have not signed up for Perplexity Pro, you want to make sure that you get a free month of Perplexity Pro using my link down below. So when you actually sign up for Perplexity, you get a Pro for free. And I'm just going to show you guys how you guys can utilize the Perplexity Pro in this video. I'm just going to leave the link in the description box as well. So the first ever use case is pretty simple. You're able to find leads or potential clients in basically any industries using the Perplexity Pro. You'll be like, Jude, what's the difference between Google versus Perplexity? Then both are actually web searching a browser, right? The difference is that Perplexity is actually equal to Google plus ChatGPT or Claude in one combination. So that's why you are able to basically you get to choose the different models that you want to actually work in. So I'm just going to show you one use case that I have. Like, for example, you want to look for accountants in New York and you want to put up the names and the emails and a contact number. You give the prompts to the Perplexity, they're able to give it to you and you can actually save it and you can request them to come up with an Excel copy for you and they're able to tablet for you. And it comes pretty fast. Or maybe we just demonstrate another one is that I'm just going to click this new. It will go to the new search. Find me top 20 law firms or top 20 law firms and their contact number and email in a table format. And I want to export it in Excel format. So I want to show you guys like how great is Perplexity because it's going to run at behind. You don't have to stay at this tab. You can actually work on other things as you want. You can create this new. You are going to go to other spaces. But if let's say you want to go back, it's just like you're browsing. You can click it over here. Can you guys see that? It comes up so pretty fast, like no brainer. Okay, so that's why this is one thing that they said they are going to prepare an Excel format for me. Yes. You can actually just say, yes, I want an Excel format. And then they are actually generating it in Excel format based on your request. So can you guys see that it's basically like both browser as well as ChatGPT in one single. And this is generated file. It's an Excel copy. You click that and then you're able to download that. Okay, so I'm just going to download that as well. And here's the Excel copy. So this is literally like no-brainer. It saves your time. It saves your time in terms of research and also getting it to work on an Excel copy itself. Okay, so the second use case is that for those who are actually investing in stocks or you want to get like latest updated news about any stocks, that is a very simple thing that you can do in Perplexity. Like show me US stocks that are going to pay dividends in November or December 25 and also tabulate the dividend yield for me. Okay, so you can use this because it's real-time web searching. So I have used ChatGPT and I've used Claude as well. In fact, I'm a Claude Pro user. So Claude Pro, they will also allows you to have the kind of web searches as well. But if you were to compare the speed of the Claude Pro web searching functions versus Perplexity, Perplexity is so much faster. Can you guys see that they actually, when I'm just explaining to you guys, they already tabulate that for me. And then of course you can keep on engaging more questions with them, as well as you can click the related questions with them as well. So this is a second use case. And a third use case is very useful, especially if you are doing research. So the other day I was trying to research between like differences between maybe iPhone. I'm using an iPhone 12 Pro, so I'm thinking whether I should upgrade to iPhone 17. So you can actually have it to tabulate the differences for you. Okay, so example, let's see how far this is. So it's actually running in behind and I get the answer straight away. But if let's say I'm using Claude Pro, maybe I should try Claude Pro right now and to show you guys what's the differences in terms of the speed. So now I'm just going to copy the prompt exactly and put it in Claude Pro and click enter. So while Claude Pro is working, basically based on the speed just now, Perplexity actually gave me the answer already because it is actually searching the web, but Claude Pro is much slower. So that's why, in terms of the Perplexity, I really enjoy that when it comes to research. They can also give me the sources. Okay, so these are the sources they actually get it from. You can see, if let's say you want, you can click it to double check the detail source as well. So it's pretty fast, and they also search for YouTube as well. So this is for the third use case where it comes to sources, and for those who are actually needing to look for any vendors or any suppliers. Like the other day, me too, I decided not to upgrade my iPhone 12 Pro, by the way. So I decided to fix my iPhone 12 Pro battery. Okay, so what I did is that, just example, yeah, because I'm staying in Malaysia. If for those of you guys do not know, I want to fix my iPhone 12 Pro battery replacement, and I want to find a reliable vendor to fix that with reasonable price and with good feedback near KL or Selangor. So KL and Selangor is our states in Malaysia. So basically, I just throw this question to Perplexity instead of having to do this in Google search one by one and compare all the different Google reviews. Basically, they have given me all the top rated based on the ratings and everything. They actually kind of like compile information for me. It's like my personal assistant. Like these are the things that I used to ask my personal assistant to do, right? Or your virtual assistant, but you don't have to do that anymore with Perplexity Pro. So that's why, if let's say you have not gotten any free Perplexity Pro, you want to check out my link down below right here. So when you sign up using my link, you get 1 month free Perplexity Pro, and you can test whatever you want with this 1 month free that I'm giving to you. So another thing, you can just use this for any shopping. And in fact, if let's say you are looking for any coupon voucher, you can also search for that. So for example, search for latest working coupon voucher for Amazon Kindle, maybe Amazon Kindle in 2025 for US store. So let us see if they are able to come up with something. If they can't, properly it's not available. Otherwise, I'm just going to try to Netflix. So yes, so they have few multiple offers, but then I don't think they have any coupons. So Netflix, how about Netflix? How about Netflix? Any coupon that is working for, I think right now it's September 2025 or October 2025 for US store. So searching is pretty fast. They also come with the sources as well. So this is the another use case that you can do. Can you guys see that? You get a like welcome student. All this code, you can directly use it, and they actually gave you the source as well, so that you don't end up referring to the, like a historical or with no data backup, with no basis to backup. Okay, another use case is pretty fun. This is one of what I want to show you guys. So if let's say you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I want to show you guys this one use case that is going to help you guys. So let's say you don't want to watch. This is my Acer. All right. If let's say you don't want to watch my videos, you want to know what I'm talking about in that video itself, what you can do is that you can just put any link of the YouTube link. You just copy that, because Perplexity is based on the web searching, right? Summarize this YouTube content for me. All right, so Perplexity is going to work behind the scenes and help you to kind of read that. And basically, these are the key points already. Like, isn't it crazy? They can even give you the steps. These are the steps that they are working on behind. These are sources, which is the video that I gave it just now. And if let's say another use case is that perhaps you are trying to learn a subject, and there are 5 videos that you want to learn it fast. You want to get to the point fast. You can actually input that 5 YouTube links or whatever links and ask them to summarize the key points for you, so you can learn things pretty fast. Like, the more I tell you guys, the more that I feel I want to continue paying for Perplexity Pro. So in fact, I got the Perplexity Pro access for free for 12 months because I signed up for Zoom. I was a paid user for Zoom. So that's why I'm so excited when I'm able to give you guys 1 month for free for for the Perplexity Pro. So be sure to check out my link in the description box down below so that you can get 1 month for free. Okay. So another one which is very, very awesome. I want to show you guys, like, whenever you do research, the research that I done just now was pretty brief, but let's say it's for academic purpose or any deep research that you want to do, you can actually click this deep research. Okay, this meant for deep research where it will actually take a longer time and they will think much deeper when they are trying to come up with the research for you. That's one important thing. And especially if, let's say, just now remember, I actually use Perplexity in order to research for the potential leads and clients that I can work with in your industry. It can be basically any industry. You can use the deep research so that they'll actually run through more searches. All right. So the next one I want to show you guys is this Perplexity Lab. So when you click this light bulb button, you are able to see that I enabled this Perplexity Lab only available for Pro, which you have access if you sign up using my link down below. So what is the Perplexity Lab able to do? This is super awesome. You can create apps, all right, and then you can directly use that. And I've tried using Perplexity Pro Lab to create like software and apps as well as compared to Claude Pro as well. I have the Claude Pro version, and it is actually equally good as well. So now I want to show you guys this app that I simply did. I don't have any use case right now, but I actually did the hourly reminder app. So this is done using a Perplexity. But if, let's say, you guys want to see in action, I'm just going to write create a reminder app that allows me to reset timing and focus every 30 minutes. And of course, if, let's say, you can use like ChatGPT or Claude to come up with more prompts that is more detailed, but I just want to show you guys like how easy it is. The reason, the goal is for me to stay focused, and there is a bell ring at every 30 minutes. Any extra features based on your research are welcome. All right. So right now we are just going to get this Perplexity to kind of like create this app. You don't have to like waiting over here in order to wait for that, which sometimes I don't like about Claude, because sometimes I realize that I need to wait for the Claude to come out with the prompts and everything. And if, let's say, I try to use Claude on any other things, then maybe the conversation wouldn't run. So, but one thing about Perplexity is that I can just constantly use it on any other purpose, right? And also, not to forget that while we are waiting for that, we are waiting for Perplexity Lab to came out, which is this tab. Let me just show you guys. This is a tab that I was working on and I was waiting for it. We can actually just continue using it for other purpose. I'm just going to show you guys what other thing that you can do. So you can actually just control this set sources for web. You can just tell, is it your major use case for Perplexity Pro is more on web, or is more on academic? You want to search for academic paper, or you want to search for the social or finance. Okay, so you can also connect any other connector. I have not done connector here because I try to make sure that my files are not go online, but this is just my personal preference. But you can connect it with Gmail with calendar. So if, let's say, you connect your Gmail with calendar, basically you can ask Perplexity to check your recent calendar. You can connect with your Outlook, Google Drive as well, or WhatsApp as well. But these are the things that I did not do, just like the concerns that I shared with you guys. So other than that, you can also upload any files as well. You can connect the files, upload any files, connect the files, meaning in Google Drive or Dropbox. You can also use the dictations voice mode so that you don't have to type, which is much faster. Okay. So another thing I want to show you guys while we are waiting for the Perplexity Lab to come out is that you can create spaces. Okay. What is spaces? Spaces, you can think it like a projects in Perplexity. It's like projects in Claude. Like you can give a certain custom instruction. You can add certain files and give a certain custom instruction. Like, for example, you can create a space like this is where June want to find new YouTube videos for AI tools to talk about. Then you can actually give a predefined instructions in this space, so that next time you can just directly click on the spaces without having to re-give the instructions again. So again, over here you can actually use like attach file, multiple files as well, and then whenever you want, you can go back to the spaces. You can also check there are some templates here. Like these are the templates that is already existing in Perplexity, so you can use it. All right, it's a writing coach. It's just like GPTs in ChatGPT, and you get to define your own GPTs. So that is what it meant. It meant in spaces in Perplexity. Okay, so other than that, everything is pretty fun, and there is also a discover is just similar to whenever we log into Yahoo or Google. What are the news that is relevant to you? You can just check what are topics that of your interest, and then you can check it from there. So now we are just going to go back to the reminder app to see whether it's already done. So they are still doing that. So right now, as you guys can see, they are building the application. There are two files here, which is index HTML and style CSS. That's amazing. So meanwhile, while we are waiting, I'm just going to pause the video and we're going to come back later. So in total, I waited for about 7 minutes to 8 minutes in total. So this is now the app that is being created. So what I can do is that I can actually go to open up this. You can click this view full screen, and also it includes like the explanation of what it includes. So these are the explanations of the app. How does it work? And I'm just going to click this full screen, okay? It will load to like a Perplexity app lab. And this is where I'm focusing on recording a video for my YouTube. All right, you can click start focus. Oh, do not know why is it not working when I click the start focus. There must be some debug needed and it is not working. Please debug. Okay, but you get the idea. So I've created a very simple app just now. Prior to that, I'm just going to go to there and show you guys. Let me see. All right, I've created one app which is similar. This is the app that I created. This is 60 minutes and it was working just now. So I'm just able to start sessions. But of course, you can just treat like Perplexity just like how you're using with Claude and ChatGPT. If it is not working, ask them to debug. So right now, perhaps when I'm chatting with them, they are actually going to debug it and then fix it for you. So these are the basic use cases for Perplexity Pro. And in fact, there are so much more of use cases that you must dive into. And I don't want you guys to miss this opportunity. You will get a 1 month free Perplexity Pro for free and test out all the things that I share with you guys by clicking at my link down below, as well as I'm putting in the description box as well, so that if let's say you guys have different use case of Perplexity, please share with me in this comment down below so that I can learn from you as well. And if let's say you absolutely love this video, share it with your friends so that you motivate me to even share more with you guys. The next up video I'm going to record it next week is that I'm going to show you guys this Perplexity Pro browser, which is newly launched. It's called Comet, and it's definitely a game changer as compared to like a Google Chrome browser. So if let's say you want to know more and get updates about this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to see you guys in the next video. And for those, if let's say you love to use software to automate your stuff, you don't want to miss out this particular software that I have in order to help you in all order to automate your automated outreach in Facebook, as well as delete unuseful friends in your Facebook list using all this automation too. You can go over to check out at junlo.net/all software, and these are the software that I have, and I look forward to see you guys in the next video then. Take care, bye bye.